We are making zucchini tomato spaghetti. It's light, healthy, and one of the easiest to make. The simplicity of the dish makes it stand out. It is comforting and very satisfying. Everyone in my home loves it. Now, you too can make it. Have you subscribed to my channel? Support me to bring easy recipes for you. Hello and welcome to my kitchen. A handful of garlic cloves. Chop them finely. You could add more, you could add less. 2 zucchinis for this recipe. I just grate them. That's done. I'll season the pasta water with salt. Let the spaghetti cook. While the pasta is boiling away, let's quickly make the sauce. 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. I'll add in the garlic. Keep the heat low and toss it around until the raw smell goes away. Add in chili flakes according to your taste. Add in the grated zucchini. I'll just mix it and then season it with a bit of salt and cook this, stirring for about a minute. So the zucchini has released a lot of water because of the salt. Can you see it now? 2 cups of fresh tomato paste. Mix well, bring it to the boil. Time to add in a few more things. 2 tablespoons of tomato ketchup, freshly cracked pepper, dried oregano, dried thyme. Mix it all up. Cover and cook till the sauce is done. The pasta is done and I just removed it. The sauce is almost ready. Look at that. Absolutely gorgeous. If you like the recipe, give it a thumbs up. Share your feedback in the comments and I'll get back to you. I don't mind the few chunky bits of tomato. This sauce is out of the world. Turn off the heat. Serve the spaghetti topped with the delicious zucchini sauce. Grate some cheese over it. Drizzle some extra virgin olive oil. Sprinkle some fresh coriander leaves and enjoy.